Hello everyone, welcome to GV Radio Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it, enable notification for more interesting videos. Right, this is the continuation of our day, 30 days challenge, and this is the day 13 Java programming challenge. Right, if you haven't watched my previous challenges, please watch and solve the programs. Right, coming to our day 13 challenge. Check if a given number is palindrome or not. What is palindrome first of all? Right, what is palindrome? Suppose I have taken input as a 1, 2, 3. Right, 1, 2, 3. If I reverse it, reverse it. Reverse it. 3 to 1. 3 to 1. If both are equal, it is called palindrome. But in this case, it is not a palindrome. Suppose if I take 1 to 1, reverse it. 1 to 1, reverse also same. This is called palindrome. Right, we can have a number palindrome, string palindrome also. Right, if you given input, if you reverse, after reverse, if both are same, original and reversed numbers, then it is called a palindrome. Right, you got the problem statement. Right, this is the programming today we have to solve it without using any predefined functions. Right, don't use any string buffer, string builder, reverse functions. Right, that is the easiest way. Right, without using any predefined functions. Right, whoever joined the live, please start the program. Once it is done, comment in the comment section. Right, please start everyone. Okay, I will also start parallelly. Okay, then we'll create one more class, day 13. Right, if you want all these programs, I will please comment in the comment section whoever want these programs. I will create a Git repository and provide access. Please provide your Git GitHub account. If you don't have, please create. It is a free only. Right, you can go to github.com and create one account using your Gmail, or we can create it easily. Right, just paste it. If you don't know how to create, please let me know. Alright, I will help you on that. I will create one video on that, how to create a GitHub account. Right, then we'll start. Okay, I will create a one reusable method which will return the reverse output as either true or false. Is palindrome. Okay, I will take the input. Sorry, integer input. Right, then I will store this input like a original. Okay, I will take one original input. I will store in the one variable. Right, because I have to compare with the reversed one. Then we'll take one more into reverse number, initially 0. Then we can write the while loop while input not equal to 0 until input not equal to 0. Right, what we have to do here, suppose here I am taking 1 to 1, suppose. Right, what is the logic we have to write? We have to reverse it. Right, we have to reverse it. First we have to take the last digit. Right, first we have to take the last digit. How to get the last digit? Into last digit. How to get last digit? We have to input to percentile 10. Then we will get the last digit as 1. Then reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus last digit. Right, this is the important step. We have to add to the reverse. We have to multiply with the reverse with the 10 and add the last digit, and then we have to remove the last digit. Right, from the input we have to remove the last one. How to remove? Input equal to input divided by 10. So that what will happen? It will remove the last digit. That means it will become 1 2. Right, then again it will come input is not equal to 0. Again take the last digit, add to the reverse. Previously what is the reverse? 1. First iteration, if you first iteration complete, 1 is the reverse. Second one 2, then 2 into previously 1, right? 1 into 10 10, 10 plus 2 12. Right, again it will go remove the last digit 1, not equal to 0, then last digit will become 1. Right, already what is the reverse? 12. 12 into 10 120, 120 plus 1 121. Right, this is the once this loop is done. Once this loop is done, what is the right reverse number? 1 to 1. It will become 1 to 1. Now what we have to do? We have to compare, just return original equal to in, not reverse. Right, reverse number. If original, right, we have stored original, right? Just equal to reverse. If both are equal, it will return true. That means it is palindrome. Otherwise it is not palindrome. Just call this if is palindrome. Suppose I will pass 1 to 1. If it is true, right, if it is true, otherwise I will take a integer input equal to 1 to 1. Right, then we can pass this input. Either you can use a scanner class to take the input from the console. You can also take it. Right, given number is, right, given number is, what is the given number? We can add input. Given number is palindrome. Right, else given number is not a palindrome. Okay, given number is not a palindrome. Okay, we'll verify is 1 to 1 is palindrome. Right, given number is palindrome. Suppose if I give 1 2 3 4 5, is it a palindrome? Right, it is not a palindrome. Right, simple logic. We have to reverse it and compare with original one. If both are equal, right, then it is a palindrome. Otherwise not palindrome. Right, thanks for whoever participated, and whoever completed, please paste your program in the comment section. Right, we will see what are the different ways to resolve it. Right, thanks for all who participated. Who did not get a chance, to take some time and participate it, improve your coding skills. Right, thanks for all the who participated.